Hello everyone. Many common acids and bases are heavily used in the industries, from production of fertilizers, soap, detergents, cleaning to extracting metals, making useful salts, etc. All these uses are possible because of few basic properties of acids and bases. So let us know few of them. Why should pickle, curd and sour substances not kept in brass and copper containers? Let us find it out. What would happen if we drop a piece of metal in acid? We take little sulfuric acid in a test tube and add few pieces of zinc to it. A colorless, odorless gas would be produced. If we pass this gas through a soap solution, some bubbles would be formed. If we take a burning candle near a bubble, the gas would start burning with a pop sound. It is hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is produced because the metal displaced hydrogen from the acid. The metal combines with the remaining part of the acid and forms a compound called salt. And this is a displacement reaction, as zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so it displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid. So an acid produces hydrogen in the reaction with a metal. We can say acid plus metal gives salt and hydrogen gas. So now you can understand why sour substances are not kept in copper or brass container. Pickles or any other sour substances contain acids which react with copper or brass containers to liberate hydrogen gas and form poisonous compounds. They can cause food poisoning and also corrode container. So generally they are kept in glass jars or clay containers. Now, some metals produce hydrogen in reaction with an alkali, but some metals only, for example like zinc, aluminium, etc. If we add some granulated zinc metal in dilute sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube and then warm it, then we will get hydrogen gas. This is represented by the chemical reaction 2NaOH plus Zn gives 2Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Here the compound formed is called sodium zincate and the hydrogen gas is released. So remember, when an acid reacts with a metal, hydrogen gas is evolved and a corresponding salt is formed. For example, H2SO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus H2. And when a base reacts with a metal, along with the evolution of hydrogen gas, a salt is formed which has a negative ion composed of the metal and the oxygen. For example, 2NaOH plus Zn gives 2Na2ZnO2 plus H2. So sodium zincate is formed here, which is a salt. However, such reactions are not possible with all the metals. That's all for now. Bye-bye.